My name's Kai, from Cornwall. Run a glamping site. It's like luxury camping. We do service accommodation on there, and I'm trying to do my first BRR up north. I'm just trying to find the right area at the moment, raise some finance. So I'm really excited for that.
Tell me about that process of trying to find somewhere. Like how is being on the academy or being around this sort of network help?
Yeah. I mean, I'm making a lot of connections, so I'm getting a lot of advice of like sort of what I should do, best sort of areas. Like I'm thinking maybe Derby or Yorkshire, somewhere like that. I'm still not fully decided yet, but I am really excited, and like everyone lifts you up, and it's just a great place to be.
And you've been
Yeah,
on the academy now 3 months.
nearly
Tell
three
me
months.
about
Yeah.
that journey.
Yeah, so I basically was running my glamping site, and then I thought like it was kind of taking it's quite a slow process, and I'm quite like a fast paced person. Like I like going and doing. So I just wanted to kind of explore different avenues and like lift my family up and teach them new things that could help improve the family business and also help myself and get me out of you know my old situation and yeah.
Okay, great. And what would you say it's been like working with sort of, people in property and Samuel and the mentors and stuff?
Yeah, these are my favorite people I've ever met. Yeah, awesome people. They are inspiring, they lift you up, and this is the realest education I've ever been a part of.
Freelancing, where do you think you're going to be in a year's time?
I want to be making at least like 20K a month, be completely out of my job, be doing something I really enjoy, which is this, just on the daily. Just I want to travel the world, and I actually really want to build a studio and inspire like young people to be more creative and kind of use that to like be more entrepreneurial and just do something they really enjoy to make money instead of doing something they hate and climbing up the wrong ladder.